So I just got missed on a really good trade setup today and went all the way to target without me. And so I wanted to just take a second to record something and walk you through my mindset, my emotions right now on a frustrating day. So before the markets opened, we were gapping down. I was like, okay, this has a lot of bear momentum. This is where I want to day trade. I just want to retest back up into around 548 or so. So that was my game plan. I was like, all right, love the 548 area. I'm going to buy some puts there, and we're going to take this thing all the way down to the 10 EMA here on a daily right there. Well, as you can see, we opened up. I wanted the retest. It didn't happen. It just went straight to target. And so I got missed. Whenever this happens, people tend to start revenge trading. They start to go, well, this is where I wanted to get in, but now I'm actually okay to get in like here or here, and they just start chasing it. For me, I feel like there is one really, really great setup a day. Now, there could be a few more possibly, but what I've seen is like one great one. If SPY would have simply just retested this area before it dropped, I would have been all over that. That would have been a huge winner. 300% return easily on investment with those options. But it didn't do that. And so now for me, if this were to get back up into 550, I'm going to pass on this trade. I'm not going to take it. Odds are I probably won't take any trades today anymore because that great trade is gone. I'll just wait for tomorrow for the next great setup. Why wouldn't I get back in short here if it goes there? Because it's already gone to my target. People make this mistake again a lot is, Tony, okay, you said 550 is a great short place. It was. Now that it's already gone to target, why do I not want to short that? Wouldn't that be a great short place again? No, it's a decent short spot. It's not great anymore. And that's the difference. Because we've already gone to target, the day traders have already made their money. They understand where to get out, where their targets were, and they took their profits. If the main big money day traders are already out, why would I want to get back in hoping that it's now going to make that move? The move was already made. It's too late. I'm missing my opportunity for that move. And so I'm going to simply pass on all of this and I'm going to go plan my next great setup. Don't let your emotions come in of FOMO. Don't let yourself get frustrated of like, oh, it did exactly what I thought it would do. And it did it without me. So then you go in here and you start chasing things and you start trying to make up all this lost because you feel like you have a loss in your brain. Don't allow yourself to feel that. Allow yourself to feel joy in the sense that you had a great strategy and remind yourself great entries are great because they're rare. If you want to be a great trader, you have to be used to having things miss you. Because up here would have been an amazing short. That would have been making my month, done for the day, awesome. But they're rare, which means you're going to get missed out on them all the time. Be okay with that. That's fine. Don't let your emotions come back in where you start taking a whole bunch of so-so trades and start losing all the time, digging yourself into a deeper pit just because you got missed out on this. Understand that your great setups, the ones that you actually want, the ones that are going to hit your monthly goal in one trade are rare. They're not going to happen all the time. Be okay with it. And so that's my mindset. That's the way that I work through my emotions whenever I get missed on a fantastic trade and it ends up going straight to where I wanted it to go to. Targets hit without me. It's going to happen. This is trading, right? I feel like, again, people have the understanding and perception that I'm always making money. I'm never getting missed on anything. It's like I get missed on stuff all the time because I'm waiting for the great. And I'll get my opportunities. They'll come. And when they do come, I will crush it. So instead of having all this up, down, and all around on the P&L, my P&L curve is pretty consistent because when I'm wrong, I'm losing very small. And when I'm right, I'm winning very, very big. And I do that because of great setups. Great setups, if I could spell, great setups allow you to win big and lose small. And that's going to be the key towards it. So whenever you get missed, whenever you're frustrated, just remind yourself the greatest traders in the world are the ones that are sitting back and are accepting the fact that great trades are rare. And that's okay. You haven't done anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I loved this strategy. I loved the game plan. This is where I wanted to be. It just didn't go there. It didn't work out today. I know that over 100 trades, if I just keep setting myself up for great opportunities, the results will speak for themselves. Love you guys. Stay calm, stay patient, and just think of things in the big picture instead of just today. Today is not going to make or break my month. If I don't take a trade today, I'm okay. Right? If I would have taken this trade, would I be the greatest trader in the world? No. Like, nothing changes because I take a trade or I don't take a trade. There's always tomorrow. Keep seeing the big picture and don't let FOMO take over. Love you guys. See ya.